ragazzi, oggi siamo qui in questo nuovo video che, come avete visto, è un run and gun. Ragazzi, ma prima di iniziare volevo dirvi semplicemente che quando io faccio questi run and gun, insomma, non ho nulla contro le persone, insomma, coinvolte nel video, cioè che insomma mi affrontano nel video, ragazzi, perché avete presente il bimbo minchia che avevo messo nello scorso, no, 2 video fa, tipo, no, nello scorso video, sì, 2 video fa, che era William 725, ragazzi, avete anche visto il nome. E ragazzi, semplicemente quello lì era un bambino, semplicemente un giorno stavo con un mio amico, no? Un mio amico ce l'aveva tra gli amici, avevamo tutti e due il microfono rotto, allora lui mi ha mandato la richiesta di amicizia, ragazzi. Poi ce lo siamo ricomprato tutti e due, poi a me si è rotto di nuovo, no, ovviamente, perché non potevo portarvi video neanche. E ragazzi, lui a un certo punto, ragazzi, ha cominciato a insultarmi, a dirmi che io praticamente facevo solo deathmatch, che poi non è da insultare, questa cosa non è giustificabile, perché se uno fa solo deathmatch cosa c'è di male, insomma, anche se in realtà non faccio solo deathmatch, fidatevi ragazzi, per avere insomma i soldi che ho io non è che devo fare solo deathmatch. E niente ragazzi, all'inizio non avevo nulla contro, poi cominciano a insultarmi, ragazzi, gli ho voluto fare il video contro così, ma ragazzi non me la prendo neanche tanto con lui, cioè alla fine è un bambino, tra virgolette, di 9-10 anni, e quindi ragazzi non me la prendo neanche troppo. E va bene ragazzi, io vi lascio il video e niente, bello.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like. Persevering for my team so they can acquire cream. Find out what the words pays off really mean. Breathing life to a dream my peers wouldn't believe, but I'm running out of breath or I forgot how to breathe. It's been colder than ever, nothing like I remember. Like spring is the winter and every day is like December. So bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when this weather is gonna get better, cause I remember the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke, but I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope. You can do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to math like.
Yo. Hey, nah. Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Pull the trigger. Don't hesitate, just shoot. Yeah, Why you believe in the propaganda? Why everybody sound like they wanna be from Atlanta? Are you the voice of the echo? Are you the nail of the hammer? I be talking while chewing my beats. I don't mind my manners. Courses that fit the opera. That's why I need phantoms. I got my doubt at gunpoint. That's why I need ransoms and not be handsome. That's why I got your girl before the money. Honestly, I thought I'd have 30 M's before my 20s, but I'm cool with how it's happening. Girl in San Fran who wants to cross routes with me like a young Colin Kaepernick. Treat the money like a lateral. I'm passing it, cause my family's number one. Never put them number two. Trying to buy a house in cash for all the times we had to move. All the times my mom cried cause she ain't know what else to do. All the times she lost hope cause she ain't know what else to lose. All the times I shoot shots cause I don't know what else to shoot.
Ooh, the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Ooh, the trigger. Don't hesitate, just shoot.
I'ma stay winning. I don't believe in luck. I believe that life's a buffet. Better eat it up. I've seen enough to know that I'm really about to blow. Never felt like an employee, always felt like CEO. Even when I stacked shoes, I was never clocked in. Yeah, I always walked out, but I never walked in. That's a tribute to my headspace. And lately, my devils have been Spanish chicks in red lace, doing brujeria on me for 10 days. More like 10 months, but I got out of it. If I fall in love again, it's probably with a Saudi chick. But I keep my head up high and my middle fingers higher.
Nobody gonna do for you. Ooh, the trigger. Don't hesitate, just shoot. Ooh, the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Ooh, the trigger. Don't hesitate, just shoot.
Bye.